Alrighty guys, yes, Fenty has done it again. I'm so excited. So she has released 2 new highlighters. I've got them here. We've got Chillz and Whattabrat right here, and we've also got new lip products. I'm excited. Let's dive into it. So guys, I am going to be doing swatches, applying, all that fun stuff of the new Fenty Beauty highlighters that she just released today. And I had to swing by and pick them up because I was so excited, because my girl Fenty is my favorite makeup brand. Hands down. So this is what Chillz looks like. It is a beautiful cool toned highlighter. I am obsessed with cool tone highlights. I will go ahead and swatch that for you. It is just a beautiful cool tone highlight. It's so beautiful. And then we've got Whattabrat here, which is this beautiful pink highlight. Like, y'all, seriously, Fenty? Like, this is stunning. I was so excited to see she released a hot pink highlight. I'm like, yes, girl. And then here is it swatched. It is stunning. So absolutely stunning. I'm just so stoked for these highlights. They're beautiful. And then she also released 3 new lip products. I only picked up one of them because I didn't think I would wear pink or purple lips really. I picked up the unattached shade, which here is what it looks like. It looks just like all the other lip paints. This one is a beautiful it's a very unique shade. I want to call it like it almost looks red in this lighting, but out in the sunlight it almost looks like it could be a coral shade, like a very deep coral shade. So I think it is just beautiful. Super excited for this. I do want to go ahead and apply the Whattabrat highlighter for you guys. So I've learned the best way really to apply these Fenty Beauty highlighters is actually just with your finger. So I'm just going to go ahead and apply this right here to my cheekbones, even though I already have highlight on. But I just want to go ahead and apply some more for you guys just so you can see it. So here's what it looks like in this type of lighting. I actually applied this highlight right when I bought it outside, so I'm going to go ahead and insert that clip right here. So guys, I just applied Whattabrat and I just bought it, and this is like what it looks like outside. It is very cloudy today, but I wanted to give you guys an outside look. I hope you guys can see it. So now I'm just going to go ahead and apply this lip paint real quick so you guys can see what it looks like on. So here is what it looks like applied. I think it is beautiful. So yeah guys, this is like the lip color, the highlight, the full shot here guys. I really hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up and subscribe down below for more product reviews new to the market coming out. And don't forget that you guys are absolutely stunning. Bye y'all. Thanks for watching.
Hey guys, so if you haven't subscribed already, then click the circular icon in the middle. Or if you want to watch another great video, then click the one on the left or the one on the right.